Jinan, Jinbao Plastic Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales and service, and is a subsidiary of Shandong Jinbao Technology Company Limited. The main products are acrylic sheets and PVC foam boards. Jinbao adheres to the road of quality development. It has become the most influential manufacturer and exporter in the industry in China. In the past 5 years, the sales volume has exceeded that of the same industry, and the Jinbao brand has become one of the most popular brands in the world. Jinbao has multiple production bases located in Zhengzhou, Jinan, Shandong, Yucheng, Dezhou and other jurisdictions. The company's headquarters is located in the prosperous area of the center of Jinan, and it has purchased its own office buildings and factories. The company has a world-class plastic sheet production line, strictly follows the ISO 9001 quality management and control procedures for production management, and has obtained the EU CE certification. The company's foreign exports are exported to more than 120 countries and regions such as Europe, America, South America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, and have won wide recognition and praise from domestic and foreign merchants. Jinbao adheres to the business purpose of quality first, customer first, quality first, win by excellence, and continuously contributes excellent products to the society, complements the advantages of all walks of life, and creates brilliance together.